Hi everyone, now let's look at how to delete data from a table. The command used is the delete command. The syntax is as shown: delete from the table name, and then you have the where condition. The things to note here are all the matching rows corresponding to the where clause will be deleted from the table in one go. And if the where clause is not used, all rows will be deleted. So be careful. So let's just show this in MySQL. We would like to delete data from user details table where salary is greater than 200. So here is the command: delete from user details, and now we will include the where clause where salary is greater than and equal to 200, and then semicolon and enter. So it says 3 rows affected. So David has a salary greater than equal to 200, and then another David has a salary greater than equal to 200, which is now this time human resource manager. And Ali, which is the CEO, has salary greater than equal to 200. So all should be removed. Let's see the table. Select star from user details, and as you see we have only Maya left and 3 of these rows are deleted. Next we will learn about describe and create table commands, which will help us know the structure of the table. A small thing to note before we learn the next topic: do not use the delete command without the where clause. The reason is if you just write delete from user details, it will delete all the rows because you have not specified the condition on which those should be deleted. If you want to know the structure of a particular table, there are 2 commands in MySQL. First is the describe command, which is as simple as describe and then table name. And the other one is show create table command, which looks like on the screen. Again, show create table and then the table name. Note the differences here. Describe command just gives the schema or structure of the table. On the other hand, show create table gives the query, which can be used to recreate the table schema. Next, I'll show you a demo of these 2 commands in MySQL. So let's just use these commands on our user details table, and we are going to just write here describe user details and then enter. And there is also a shorthand for this describe command, which you can just write disk and then user details. You will get the same result as the first command. So as you can hear, we get the structure of the table. So we get the field names, the type, whether it can be null or not, whether it's a key or not, and what kind of key, and what are the default values, and some extra information. So as you can see here, name is a text field, designation is again a text field, and salary is an integer field. Now null is allowed in all of them means all of them are optional, so you can have a blank data value for these columns. The key column here is blank for now. We'll look into indexing in a later module where you will understand what keys are and how they help us to retrieve data more efficiently from databases. In a sense, keys help us to speed up our select queries. Now let's move on to our next command, which is show create table command. So let's just do it. So we type show create table user details and then enter. As you can see here, this gives us the create table statement of user details. You can see here a few more things like engine and car set. You can ignore them for now. Just know that engine is the underlying storage update and retrieval powerhouse of MySQL. And there are different ways to do it. One of them is InnoDB, other is MySam. Char set is the character set, which helps you in multi-language support. And you know there are different char sets if you have a problem storing language characters like Chinese in your MySQL table. And then char set may be a problem. So you need to look into that. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we'll learn how to alter tables.